So I absolutely love face masks. The next product is this secret spa products. So each month I get this box, and the box looks like this. This is the February box. Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new here, then my name is Mehzabin Pinky, and if you wish to see more of my future videos, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, and also join me on all social media sites. So in today's video, I am unboxing my monthly subscription box. Of course, by the title you must be knowing that it's a unboxing video. So each month I get this box, and the box looks like this. This is the February box. I'm late just because this is the second time I'm filming this video. Last video somehow I filmed so much that day that that video is lost somewhere. I don't know where it is. I think I didn't transfer the files from the SD card. That's why I don't know. I filmed so much that that video is somewhere. I don't know where it is now, but like now I'm doing it again. So yeah, Bellabox is a monthly subscription box where you get 4 to 5 or 6 beauty products, beauty related products, or anything related beauty, and they send you so many good stuffs. Like sometimes they send full size and sometimes sample. So like each month there is at least 1 to 2 full-size products, and I love it. Like it's only $19.95 per month. I will leave the website link below, and also their YouTube channel. Each month the girls unbox on their channel too. So yeah, you get to see what you are getting each month before receiving the box, so which is awesome. You can check their channel too. I will leave it below in the description box. And yeah, so yeah, without further ado, let's see what I got. First thing is this card which says February, and it's a Valentine's theme, and at the back it's all the products details and the retail value and where you can buy it from. So first product is this Emco Beauty Matte Bronzer Long Lasting Pressed Powder. So this is a bronzer. It looks like this, by Emco Beauty, and matte bronzer written here, and also long lasting pressed powder. So it's a lightweight, long wearing matte color, and it's a buildable formula for a customized bronze, and also creates a lift from within glow. So I haven't tried this just because when I got this box, like last week I got it, so I opened it and I saw this bronzer, but I didn't try it. So I will try in my tutorial videos maybe, and if I like it, I will definitely share this product in my favorites video. So this is 10 grams, and I think it's a full-size product. Yes, it's a full-size product. Retails for $18, available at mcobeauty.com. So it says here, Emco Beauty's matte bronzer blends seamlessly to enhance the skin and mimic a rich bronze radiance. Its lightweight velvety powder glides onto the face to deliver a smooth, long lasting coverage. So smooth, long lasting coverage. Wow. So let's open this box. Okay, it looks like this. It's written here Emco Beauty, and at the back it looks like this. So you will get 10 grams of product, and it's a full size. I really love it. It's awesome. I love to try new products. So the next product is this Herbal Essence Bio Renew Argan Oil of Morocco Conditioner. So this is sample size of 100 ml. So last month I got shampoo, and this month I got conditioner. So I can't wait to try, just because like I haven't tried the shampoo yet, but I got the conditioner. Now I will be trying both of these together, and if I like it, I will definitely share in my favorites video. So it says here it's Repair Argan Oil of Morocco Conditioner. So it will repair your hair, and like it says 0% paraben and 0% gluten, and it says here 400 ml retails for $11.99. So this is only a sample size of 100 ml. So available at Woolworths, Coles, Priceline, and Chemist Warehouse. So it says here condition your locks with Herbal Essence Argan Oil Conditioner, balancing a multi-layered scent of frizzy citrus, exotic spices, and creamy vanilla. Spotlighting argan oil as its key ingredient is this conditioner brings hair back to life with essential antioxidants, aloe and sea kelp. Its smoothing formula restores damaged hair and a pH balanced to suit all hair types. So this is for all hair types, which is awesome, and I can't wait to try this. So the next product is this Jinju face sheet mask. So let's see this sheet mask. It's a panda face sheet mask I got. So this is Korean Super Beauty. So Korean. So this is a Korean product. It's written here. So it says here this is a full size, and get your self-care fix with Jinju Fiber Sheet Mask, ultra light and soft. Each mask adheres to the skin to ensure moisture is deeply absorbed. Get glowing skin with the egg white mask, or refresh skin with the brightening panda mask. You will receive one of the following. So I absolutely love face masks. Like any type of mask, I love it. So if you guys are interested, I will list a video below in the description box of my favorite three. I think three face masks which I loved in 2019. So that video is my top 3 face masks of 2019, I think. So I will list it below in the description box. Like that masks are really good, but sheet mask is really good when you are doing makeup, and if you are going to a occasion, and if you want instant lift on your face, so then you can apply sheet mask. Like these kinds of masks are really helpful before doing makeup. So I really love it, and I hope you do it too. So do watch that video. I can't wait to try this mask, and I think this will be good because sheet masks are really good. Okay, this sheet mask retails for $5 one mask, and like available at Woolworths and Coles. And the next product is this Skin Doctor's Potent Ampoules. So this is just a capsule kind of thingy by Skin Doctor. So you'll get 2 of these capsules to try, I think. Let's see. Skin Doctor's double ampoule combination helps achieve younger, luminous skin, use the potent vitamin C for fresher, radiant, youthful skin, while the potent vitamin A improves the skin's tone, texture, and clarity. What an iconic duo. So 50 ampoules retails for $59.95, available at Chemist Warehouse and Priceline here in Australia. Let's open and see. So it's like this. So I don't know how it is, but I will try. And if I like it, then I will definitely buy it. So the next product is this Secret Spa products. So this looks like this. It says Secret Minerals from the Dead Sea, a clear facial toner. So for oily, problematic skin. Looks like this. Secret's unique combination of innovative technology and natural healing ingredients from the Dead Sea promises a high quality formula across its line of skincare and spa essential. You will receive one of the following products: body lotion, essential moisture, face cream, combination skin buffer, a clear wash, a clear toner. So I have received this toner. I should have received a wash, but it's okay. So body lotion retails for $30. So this one is toner. It retails for $55, which is awesome. Like $55 for a toner. I don't use toner much, but I can't wait to try this toner. And if I like it, I will definitely share this in my favorites video. So this also comes with a coupon code to spend on their website www.secretspa.com, and you will get 20% off if you use the coupon code. So I won't be using it, so yeah. So I will try and let you guys know in the favorites video. Okay, the last product is a bonus product. So this is Seed Lip Distilled Non-Alcoholic Spirit. So it's like this. Okay, so it comes with this card and how to make it. And it says here, okay, the world's first distilled non-alcoholic spirit, solving the dilemma of what to drink when you are not drinking. So served in some of the best restaurants, bars, hotels in the world. So yeah, this is it for today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to leave me a comment below, and also give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it, and join me on all social media sites. Do subscribe to my channel. It means a lot. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. I will catch you all later in my next video. Bye.